Fire alarms can help detect a fire, notify building occupants, and help alert first responders. Do you have a fire alarm system at your facility? If so, have you noticed any of the following? Are there any flashing lights or sounds coming from your fire alarm panel? Are any of the connected devices damaged? Is your system being monitored? Is there documentation of your regular required services? Remember that required fire protection services and associated frequencies may vary by market. Always check with your local authority having jurisdiction to determine the inspection, service, and other requirements for your facility. Paying more attention to your equipment can help make you more prepared when you need it. To learn how Cintas can help with convenient, reliable fire protection services, visit cintas.com/fire.